will do the activity. Here are the instructions. Mark true or false for these sentences. Use capital T mark for true and capital F for false. Students, first of all, I am going to attempt one example. After that, you have to solve the remaining ones. So, are you ready for this? The first sentence is, Tansen agreed that he was the best singer. Students, Tansen was not agreed that he was the best singer. So, this sentence is false, or we can say incorrect. So, we will put F after this sentence. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, હવે બાકીના જે વાક્યો છે એના જવાબ તમારે જાતે શોધવાના છે. એના માટે તમને સમય આપવામાં આવે છે. Teachers at receiving centers are requested to pay attention towards the children while they do the activity. Have you completed, students? Very good. Now, I am going to solve all the answers. You just pay attention towards me. If your answer is incorrect or not proper, just correct it. So, I am going to start with sentence number 2. Sant Haridas lived in a hut. Students, Sant Haridas lived in a hut. So, the sentence is correct. So, we will put T after the sentence. Students, let's start with sentence number 3. Sentence number 3 is, Sant Haridas came to Akbar's court. Students, this sentence is not proper. Actually, Akbar went to Sant Haridas' hut. So, this sentence is incorrect. So, we will put F after the sentence. Now, students, Let's proceed further. The next sentence is Sant Haridas could not sing well. Students, Sant Haridas was a very good singer. So, the sentence is not proper. So, we put F after the sentence. Students, let us check the next sentence. The next sentence is Tansen made some mistakes deliberately. Students, Tansen made mistakes deliberately. So, the given sentence is true. So, we will put T mark after the sentence. So, students, now let's check the last sentence. The last sentence is the king agreed that Sant Haridas was a wonderful singer. Students, the king agreed that Sant Haridas was a wonderful singer. So, the given sentence is correct. So, we will put T after the sentence. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, તમને આ એક્ટિવિટી કરવામાં મજા પડી હશે. Now let's move further. We are going to solve one more task. First of all, I am going to read the instructions. You just listen it very carefully. Here are the instructions. What do these lines from the lesson mean? Tick mark the correct answer. Students, for each and every sentence, there are 3 options. You have to select the correct option out of these 3 sentences. So, are you ready for this? First of all, I am going to solve one example for you. Here is the example. There is someone who sings better than I. For this sentence, there are 3 options. The first one is I sing better than someone. The second option is someone sings better than I do. And the third option is someone sings as well as I do. So out of these 3 options, option number 2 is the correct one. That is, someone sings better than I do. So B1 is the correct answer. વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, હવે બાકીના જે પ્રશ્નો છે એના જવાબ તમારે જાતે શોધવાના છે. એના માટે તમને સમય આપવામાં આવે છે. Teachers at receiving centers are requested to pay attention towards the children while they do the activity. So students, now I think that you all have completed the activity. Here I am going to solve the remaining ones. You just check your answers whether they are correct or not. If the answers are incorrect, just correct it. So I am going to start with sentence number 2. Here is the sentence. I am afraid he will not come, Sahanshah. For this sentence, the options are I am afraid that he will come. The second one is I am not afraid of him. And the last one is I am afraid that he will refuse to come. So the correct answer is, yes, very good. The correct answer is number 3rd. That is, I am afraid that he will refuse to come. The next one is, but Tansen knew how to get round him. For this sentence, there are 3 options. The first one is, Tansen knew the way around. Second option is, Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. And the third one is, Tansen knew that he could go round him. You all know the answers now? Yes, very good. So, which one is the correct one? Yes, that is option B. Tansen knew how to get Sant Haridas to sing. Let's check the next sentence. I sing at your command. For this sentence also, there are 3 options. Number 1 is, I sing because you ask me to. Second one is, your command is musical for me. And the third one is, you sing at my command. So what will be the correct option? Yes, the correct option is number 1. That is, I sing because you ask me to. Students, now let's check the last sentence. And the last sentence is, Guruji sings for one who is the King of Kings. For this sentence also, there are 3 options. The options are, Guruji sings for one great king. Option number 2 is, Guruji sings for many kings. And the last option is, Guruji sings for God. So, do you know the answer? Yes, very good. Say the answer. Nice. Yes, option number 3 is the correct one. That is, Guruji sings for God. Students, we have discussed several questions related with the story, and we have also done some tasks related with the story. You all have given the correct answer. It means that you came to know the story very well. We will meet again in the next class. Till then, goodbye.
It's time to learn English, our chance to get ahead. It's time to learn English, our chance to get ahead. Hear a story, learn a song, buzz and hum
to play.